Today is out. I will teach you how to use volt and galvanometer. Galvanometer is ammeter, parallel ammeter. It is measure current from main power supply. Volt is meter is measure main input volt. Ammeter used from load measure to load current. I will connect it series. Power supply come with negative wire to these wires. This one is connected to this terminal and same parallelly connect this one. This one, as it's this one, and this to this terminal. There's a 3 volt mark, and there's G1 mark, and there's G2 mark, and there's 6 volt mark, 15 volt mark. This meter is maximum limit 3 volt. This meter is connected 12 kilo ohm resistor seriously to show voltage drop 12 to 15 volt drop to this resistor. Remaining volt left 1 to 3 volt. It's showing this meter. 12 volt power supply connect with this 15 volt probe and 2 ampere supply when I will connect with G0. G1 from 5 ampere, G 5 ampere on G1 is 1 to 2 ampere. G1 to G 2.4 kilo ohm resistor in connected series. There is also same 12 kilo ohm resistors connect 15 volt to 3 volt banana plug side, and ground. This is a ground negative mark clip. Negative positive connected to 2.9 kilo ohm resistor to 100 ohm. This meter resistor is 100 ohms. Now it's connected to touch this wire. Needle is going to 30, above 30 on 30, which means my is 2 ampere. Voltage is remaining 10 to 15 remaining, which means 11 on 12 volt. My power supply is 12 volt. Little bit voltage loss. Power supply is not give 100% volt, so there is remaining 11.5 and 11.3 something, which means it is a 12 volt. Now it check low voltage like a 5 volt. We connect this clip to light there 3 volt side and pause them. Now I can use this triple A back 1.5 volt batteries. Now I will connect this wire to 15 volt to 3 volt limit, and now testing it. This cell is not proper. Now try this cell battery. See, the galvanometer is very sensitive. Turn needle above, move to above 213. What is sensitive? This is 100 ohm meter plus 2.9 kilo ohm resistor into that series. The voltage drop this resistors after C meter. This one that to C meter. But other thing, what is the resistance? Resistance is which conductive with drop a voltage, drop a volt current as a shunt resistor. This resistor talking after other videos, so this is a very sensitive. Now test. This project is done with next day with next project. This video is end with next day. Turn off fast.